Hello, friends of the O Professor O1 channel. Let's transform our health together and open the doors to a better life. Take a deep breath now. Imagine a golden light filling you completely. Feel this vibration guiding you beyond your limits, connecting you to the universe. Pay attention and listen to this tip that will help your health. Chronic pain doesn't have to be your constant companion. Integrative and orthomolecular medicine offer innovative approaches to pain management, seeking the underlying cause of inflammation and imbalance. With therapies like acupuncture, ozone therapy, anti-inflammatory supplementation, and lifestyle changes, it's possible to significantly reduce pain, restore mobility, and improve your quality of life, allowing you to resume your favorite activities with comfort and joy. Law of attraction is prowess, frequency is finesse, and health, yes, is beauty. Did you like this message? Share it with your friends, follow us, and leave your like.